Gang, what's up, man? Mr. Randall checking back in. Y'all see today we got our fuel line, some connectors, fuel pump, all that good stuff. We removed the hard line off the car. Got one young loaner right here.
All
Full
day,
effect, ready to get it.
All day.
But we removed the factory fuel line off the car. I'll show y'all that. And we probably paint the tank up, get that cleaned up. Got that right here, gang. Got that right here. We're gonna clean him up, swap out this here 250 Walbro and replace it with the 450. Paint that tank up like I said. This here, the original fuel lines right here. Hard lines, hard connectors. Y'all see it. So we're gonna run a new thing. Comment, like, share, subscribe. We about to get it in. Alright, gang. Y'all see we got our fuel line. And I'm gonna replace this here power wire. Then I'm gonna pull everything through it with this one right here. So we're gonna get him all taped up. Alright, gang. Y'all see we running them over the frame right here. See that? We come down. Yeah. Y'all see him getting that work in. Just clean that tank up. Get that rust up off of there. I'm gonna try to go this route. For right now, I might wind up changing it out though. I don't know what's going on right here. A little rust in that corner. I actually got a rust hole right here.
That's a hole?
Yeah, a little hole right there.
Oh, man, you can't do nothing with this. You can't do nothing with this. Huh?
What you say?
You can't do shit with this.
We done found the hole, gang. That's that part I just plucked off of there. What I could do, I could probably weld it.
You think it's gonna hold? Only thing, I don't know, I have to get like the gas in and stuff up out of that before I can. Well, look, let's go ahead and dump the gas out there.
Let's see it, gang. We got our pump out of there. Nah, I guess we just need to get a new tank. Gang, what's up, man? Mr. Randall going in. You hear me? Today, we're gonna be swapping out this here fuel tank. Y'all see it came in. We got our old fuel pump right here. The reason why we changing the tank, because the old one had it was rusted and had a hole in it. So I got me a new one straight off of eBay. I think it's a 307 tank. I'll link it in the description. I got me a cutter, some connectors. I actually ran the fuel lines under the car already, but I ran them through the frame rail. So I believe it's got to come straight up the middle to the back of the intake in order to work, because we actually fell a little short. I'm gonna cut these here connectors on my fuel lines, the head of the fuel lines. Hopefully we can get this here off of there. I don't have this here tool. Hopefully we can remove this and get our fuel lines running, guys. Let's see if we get this tank installed as well. So I appreciate y'all for stopping by. Comment, like, share, subscribe, y'all. Y'all know we coming back with plenty more. Let's get it. It's the Randall. That's something they be talking about with your fuel pump. Gotta fit in so they don't stall. So we got that. That's the code right here for it. Look, just 307C off eBay. I think it's 122 bucks. Might have came about 150 with the taxes. So I'm gonna swap out my fuel pump. All right, filter off. Got our pump off, guys. Now this here pump, it's a Walbro 250. Right here, it's a Walbro 450. Let's see if this connector can plug up in there. If not, we're gonna have to. Oh, look like we're gonna have to change the wiring. I have to tap it some type of way. I don't even have any heat shrink. Anyway, guess let's go ahead on and get our pump installed. Okay, y'all know this ain't the right thing for this. Uh-oh. Alright, gang, just gonna install them, baby. Ooh, that bad boy hot. Ooh, that sucker hot. See, got black on black. You'll see it. We got red on red. Alright. See if I get a tie wrap or something, strap that pump down. I think I'm gonna cut this stuff with a bandsaw. That'll probably be the way I get the cleanest cut on there. So let's go cut him off. We're gonna clean all of this up right now. Alright, gang, let's go see what we can do with our connectors. Alright, YouTube, I found my fuel filter. So I'm gonna pop this here old one off and I'm gonna install this new one. Just gonna slide him right in place. You gotta keep him in his original spot, which is right here. So with that being said, let's get our lock ring on. Slip him in place. Since we got a straight right here, I think I'm gonna run me 290s. I'm gonna use 290s right here instead of these straights. And when you tighten aluminum, it seems to be gouged up. When you're stuck, it's hard to take it loose. Put y'all some type of clever seeds or something where you could take this off if you ever needed to. Move your lines again. And this is the flexible lines. Y'all see it? Alright, gang. Y'all see we got our pump installed, our lines on. This here gonna be our power line for our fuel pump. So let's go ahead and get this tank installed on the G-body. Y'all see it, gang. Let's go ahead and hit our other strap, guys. It's our vent line. This here is our feed and return here. So let's make that happen. We bolt it right there, bolt it right here. Got our fuel lines running to our front. This here is our vent line right here. Let him run to the side or something.
Hi guys.
Alright guys, y'all see the Russell fuel filter. Got our AN 3/8 AN6 to 3/8 connectors here. Slip our fitting in place. Ow, y'all see it, gang? Fuel lines, baby. You and mine? Yes, sir. All right, gang, we got our Russell fuel filter, but that's not what this about. It's about this here proportioning valve. All right, YouTube, let me go ahead on and explain what's going on here. So, for this regulator, we got our feed line coming straight from our pump to our fuel line. leaving our fuel line, going to the feed on our regulator, coming out the release on the regulator, going to the tank. So that's how you do that, guys. And you install your boost reference to your intake gang. Like, comment, share, subscribe, y'all. Y'all know we coming with it. Yeah. Yee-hee.
Forever, I gotta grind forever. I gotta get it forever. I gotta grind forever. I gotta get it. Cry myself to sleep. I cry.
11:35 p.m. 7/12/21. About to shut it down. I don't know what time it is. Yeah, in the morning, huh?